You should always treat your diabetes early as it can affect all your organs in the long term. Some natural remedies are very effective for diabetes control. Okra water is one such natural remedy that has been in use for centuries. Let's examine why okra helps in diabetes and how to use okra for best results. Okra is very low in calories and a rich source of dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A study published in the National Institute of Health website suggests that okra reduces postprandial serum glucose in rats. It was found that the viscous soluble dietary fiber of okra significantly reduces the intestinal absorption of glucose in fasting rats, indicating controlling diabetes. Both okra seeds and okra peel are capable of reducing blood sugar levels, though okra seeds are more effective according to a study. You can use okra in any form: eat it raw, cook it as vegetables, or pickle it in vinegar. However, the most traditional and perhaps the best method to deal with diabetes is to drink okra water empty stomach first thing in the morning. Take 4 mature tender okra pods of the 6 inches size. Okra pod size ranges from 3 to 7 inches per pod. If you have the small pod size variety of okra, then take 5 to 6 pods. Clean the okra pods with water to remove the pesticides and other dirt if any. Remove the top and bottom and ensure that there are no worms in the okra pods. Keep the pods fully immersed in a glass of water and cover the glass top. Leave it there overnight. Remove the pods in the morning, squeeze the juice of pods in the same water. Drink at empty stomach. It will take months of consuming okra before you get back the normal sugar levels and feel relief from diabetes. This may sound long-term, but compare it with medication like metformin, which you take for life and still can't get rid of diabetes. Okra can interact with metformin. So, if you are taking metformin, then do the okra water therapy under a doctor's supervision. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.